Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Company. Today we are going to unbox the Otica made enema kit, or we can say enema setup. This is the box where we have given all the information features on the box, and we are going to open it. This comes with the main bowl. They are providing this cannula, or we can say dilated catheter. This is the user manual they have given how to use the product, and this is the main container where you can see the Otica logo has been given, and we can open it. You can see there is a tube, and they have given this 4 inserts of the anus. Now we are going to set up the enema kit. So we can start by connecting the tube from one end to the main container, and the other end where there is given the clip, you can close the clip while you are making the solution to the zero end. Many of the customers are not doing it at a zero end, and they are complaining about the leakage from this outside of tube. So next we are going to connect this insert to the tube. Now the device is ready to use, and we can start by inserting or pouring water into the enema bowl for the setup purpose. You can see I have almost filled the container with 500 ml of water. You can see there is no leakage. I have increasing the height of the bowl. You can see there is no leakage. When you will start opening the controller, then only flow will start coming outside of the tube. You can see. But when you will lock it, you can see I have locked it properly, and there is no leakage from this end. Whenever you will open this controller, then only it will start giving you the flow. You can see I have opened it, and when the bowl is at height, you can see the water is flowing through. And whenever we are closing the controller to zero, you can see there is no water leakage inside of the product. The company has given 4 different inserts. 2 are of bigger size for adult, and 2 are of small size. As well as company has given this dilated catheter to put the enema inside of anus. You have to open it, and you can just connect this to this smaller tube. Make sure you are connecting it to small tube, not in the large one, otherwise it will be leakage. So you can see now again I am opening the controller and raising the level of container. You can see the water is coming, and whenever I am controlling the controller to zero level, you can see there will be no water outcoming, or there is no leakage with this controller. So this is how the Otica enema setup works. You have to connect the small tube with this given disposable dilated catheter, which is going to be inserted inside of anus. And these are the 4 tubes, and this is the entire setup which is coming with the Otica enema setup. Thank you.